Welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive into one of the most searched questions about one of YouTube's funniest creators. Is Benoftheweek gay? He's known for his bizarre humor, wild editing, and unpredictable content, but fans have always been curious about his real life. Let's find out the truth. Ben D'Almeida, better known online as Benoftheweek, was born on the 8th of September, 1999, in Edmonton, Canada, and later moved to Tewksbury, Massachusetts. From a young age, Ben loved making people laugh. His early videos were random and chaotic, but his unique sense of humor quickly caught attention. Ben became a viral star on TikTok and YouTube, where his offbeat comedy and surreal editing style made him stand out. Over time, he built millions of followers who love his unpredictable jokes and his ability to make even the weirdest ideas entertaining. His videos often play with exaggerated emotions and identity, but that's all part of the act. Because of his expressive personality and comedic style, many fans have wondered, is Ben gay? The truth is, Ben D'Almeida has never publicly said that he's gay. He keeps his personal life private and rarely talks about his dating life. Some of his skits include jokes about relationships or gender roles, but they're all meant for humor, not to reveal his sexuality. As of now, Ben continues to focus on creating funny, surreal videos that keep fans guessing about what he'll do next. He's never confirmed any relationship publicly and seems more interested in entertaining than explaining his private life. So, is Benoftheweek gay? No, there's no confirmed information about his sexuality. What's clear is that he's one of the most creative and unique YouTubers online today. And maybe that mystery is part of his charm.